Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Yvette coming to you with another video. I'm quite excited to show you this home remedy, how to treat cough from home. I'm so excited to share that with you. Cough is usually caused by infection of the upper airway that causes irritation and inflammation, and sometimes cough would be caused by cigarette smoking, fumes, and different irritants in our environment. Sometimes people will likely cough because they are choking on something, and so if you're choking on something, please cough it out. I would encourage everybody to cough if you think there's something in your throat. Please cough. If you think that you are choking on something, please cough, because the thing is, sometimes we feel embarrassed, especially when we are out with our friends or in a nice restaurant eating. We choke on something, we feel embarrassed to cough, but if you don't cough, it might cost you your life. So I would encourage you to cough. That's the best way to deal with it. But with dry cough, sometimes it's so irritating because you cough and nothing comes out. So I just want to show you a simple concoction at home that you can put together from things in your kitchen to help you deal with cough. So I'm just going to tell you what they are. So honey and lemon and cayenne pepper and onions. Those things all in your kitchen will help you treat a cough at home and save you money and save you a trip to the doctor's office or to the drugstore. But I'm not saying that if you need to go to the hospital that you stay at home. If you need to see a doctor, please definitely go and see a doctor if you need to see a doctor. So what does honey do? Honey coats your throat, your throat, and calms the irritating tissue. And lemon contains vitamin C that has infection fighting ability, and it also reduces inflammation. And cayenne pepper increases circulation and hastens the healing process. And onions contain irritating compounds that trigger the cough reflex and brings up phlegm. So especially with dry cough where you're coughing so hard and nothing is coming, onion will serve as an irritant to irritate the tissues and bring phlegm up when you cough. So, but when you're using these ingredients, you just need 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a very small pinch of cayenne pepper, and a small pinch of onions will do the trick. So I'm just gonna go straight into the kitchen and show you how to combine these ingredients together and treat a cough. And I also want to give a disclaimer. I'm by no means telling you that this is a cure for any disease or cure for the cough. If it continues after trying this at home, please definitely go in and see a doctor. And it's also important that you make sure that the cough is not caused by an underlying health problem, because underlying health problems can also cause a cough. And especially during this time where we're dealing with COVID-19, coughing is part of the symptoms. So if you're having symptoms combined with fever and a sore throat, please call health line in your region and report the symptoms. They might ask you to isolate, or they might do further assessments to decide what it is. When all of that is rolled out, then we can go ahead and try this home remedy. So I'll see you in my kitchen. Okay, I have everything set on the table now, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. So I have a big lemon right here. I'm just gonna cut it and squeeze it. I do have my lemon squeezer here. And here, I'm just going to measure it. I need 2 tablespoons of honey. So I'm just going to measure it and put it in there. This is 1. And 2. Exactly 2 tablespoons. And 1 tablespoon of honey. So the honey I have right now is creamed honey. This is raw. This is pure honey that I my neighbor gave me this, actually a very good neighbor. Bought from the farm, not pasteurized, but you can use liquid honey, so liquid honey is fine. But I really like this one, it's good. So I'm getting 1 tablespoon of honey. I'm just gonna put it right there into our lemon. There we go. Then a little bit of cayenne pepper, tiny little bit. You don't want it to be too much because it's gonna be so hot you wouldn't be able to use your concoction. So there. Then a little bit of onion. So I'm just gonna quickly grate this onion and add in there. I'm gonna grate it here. So I like red onions. I don't know why. I like it. I think it has a really good flavor. But I think the other onions, it's good as well. So here you also just want just a little bit of onions. There. I think I can do a quarter. This is a quarter teaspoon in there. All right, so now that everything is in there, I'm just gonna stir a little bit. That honey is not gonna mix right away, so I'm just gonna put this in the microwave to warm up. I'm just gonna do like 30 seconds in the microwave and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so the honey is melted and everything is kind of nicely mixed. I left it in the microwave for 30 seconds, but I think 30 seconds was a little bit longer. So I think 15 to 20 seconds should be okay. So it's all nicely mixed now, and yeah, and it's ready to go. So now that it's ready, you can take as many teaspoons as you need several times a day until the cough subsides. So there's nothing like overdose of this. So just take it, I would advise to take it like maybe after every hour if the cough continues, but otherwise just take it as much as you need. Yeah, so I'm gonna try it and see how it tastes. It surprisingly tastes really good. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you're able to make that concoction, and if you try it at home, please leave me a comment below and let me know. And please share this video if you think it's helpful, and if you have any questions, just leave them below and I will do my best to answer them. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can know when I upload new videos. Thanks again for watching. God bless you and have a wonderful week. Bye.